buying my first ever challenge. So my payout, the first is 0 0. Right, let's do this. I'm buying a swing challenge, 5,000. I'm using cryptocurrency. Right, and I'm using the Ethereum network. I'm using this one. Right, let's proceed. Hi guys, it's the end of the day. Here's my review and the performance for the day. I had a win rate of 50. Uh, I made a lot of mistakes in this trading, and one of them was fear. Fear. I was so afraid of losing that I ended up losing. If I had not been afraid, I'd have reached my target for today. These are the number of trades I made. I've learned my lesson. Don't be afraid. Accept the risk and trade, trade, trade normal. So if you look at my equity curve, you can see that I went up to about I went up to about the maximum is 5,123.59. That was the maximum for today, and then I dropped back to 5,000 and now 27. Wow, that's so low. 5,030. Look at my balance. Starting from 5,000, I've gone up. I went up to 5,000 and 5,118. I wanted 5,200. That was my target, and I could have gotten it if I wasn't afraid. But I pulled back at the last minute and I saw my stock going my way. It was this trade in particular. I had an open position right here, and the news came on this candlestick. The news came on this particular candlestick, this one right here. By then, I had brought my stop to this level, so it just came, took me out, and went back all the way. Wow! It came, took me back, and went this way. That was very painful. It did not take a second for it to drop after taking me out. That's the sad part. Right after taking me out, it just went my way. Anyway, that was what happened, and I've learned my lesson. Accept the risk. Stop drilling it so hard as if you don't want to lose your money, as if you're afraid. Well, you should be afraid to lose your money, but be willing to also hope for better days. Right, that's all for today. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Okay, guys, at long last, congratulations to me. I have filled my first account. So, what happened? Let's see. Well, the trading was good, everything was fine, but uh, I wasn't following a lot of things. I wasn't following my rules. I wasn't patient enough, and I just kept trading based on hope and luck. And my daily drawdown just went below. I should have had a daily drawdown uh, where is it? Of 250, and this is 256. That's below. That's below my daily drawdown. Oh, that's fine. So now, luckily, I can reset the challenge, but you still have to pay some amount. I've been discounted $17.8, and I'll still have to pay the $71.2. I still have to pay that. But that's fine. Challenge show. But don't worry, you have 24 hours to reset this challenge to your discounted rate. I'm grateful that there is something like that. Learned my lesson, and I'll be trading well this time. I'm not giving up. Oh, I'm not giving up. I can't give up. Mhm. I can't give up. It's going to be fine. Once I get funded, I'm going to make everything back in a jiffy. So I'm fine. But I wish I could say I never blew an account or I never lost a challenge. But I think I'm going to be say I lost one challenge and I blew one account so far. Let me reset this and start trading again. So far, this is the new account, the one I just reset, and here's the performance so far. The win rate is 16.767, average loss of 9.41, and wins of 4.9. Okay, see it. This is my current balance, 488. From 5,000, I've lost about $100 today. Bad, bad, bad. So after all these losses, just look, check it out. Red, red, red. Made a lot of losses today, but that's fine. Thanks. I wasn't sitting tight. I was trading in and out of season. Okay, guys, welcome back. So, what was the result of my challenge after all the reset and all? The result is failed. I failed again. Let's see some details. So I had a win rate of 19.79. That's baddest. You see the reason very soon. Well, I just went down. See the charts. I never this is 5,000. I never exceeded 5,000. I just went down and I kept going down. Just look at that. Look at my balance. It just kept going down until I had touched the daily drawdown. At some point I even wanted to fail. So I can simply reset it. So I've failed, I've failed, I've failed. Wow. I've really failed this challenge for real. I've really failed it. Alright. Here are some of the results. So just take a look. Just see red. Red is a loss. So all the red you are seeing is just losses I was making. So each red you see is a loss. Some few wins and then losses. Losses. Wins, losses. Wow. So what happened? Well, a number of things happened, but I think one thing is I wasn't trading according to my edge. I was just taking trades emotionally. I was fearful when the market was going in my direction, so I'll take profits too early. And when I when I decide to sit tight, when I learn my lesson after taking profit too early, and I decide to sit tight, the market reverses and comes to stop me out. So right now, I really need to learn when to sit tight and when to know that cut my losses and get out of the trade. So far, I'm going to create an account again just now and then get back in the game. I ain't giving up. Alright, guys, and just as how quickly I was wiped out of that trade, that previous one, I'm back again. I've reset my account. Thank God there is a reset button here. At least you can pay a low fee for reset. So we've loaded up 5,000. How is it gonna be? Am I going to learn my lesson or I'm going to mess up again? We'll find out and I'll keep you updated. Alright, bye.